How to apply coupons on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you apply coupons on Temu app. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Temu app with your account. After you open Temu, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you can as usual review how much coupons have you or you can get them from here. Simply tap on you at the bottom. From here, tap on the option coupons and offer just at the top right. And from here, simply you can get the special offer that will allow you for the coupon bundle. You can get it from here and you can also play the multiple games referring your friends. You can find the unused or used coupon from here. After you find it and confirm, simply you'll have to come on your cart section, tap on cart icon at the bottom right. From your choose your product and tap on checkout at the bottom right. From your provide your first name, last name and provide your address, also your phone number. After you provide the details, tap on here for the agree. After that, tap on save. And from there, you'll have to just make the payment method. After you are trying to proceed for the payment, simply you can get the option for apply for coupon code. Simply on the section enter coupon code, you'll have to enter or paste your code for the coupon. After that, if it will be valid, the discount will be instantly show on your total. Simply after that, you can make an order from the Temu. And that's it. This is the method to apply coupons on Temu app. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.